Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial series. Today is day 10 and in this video we are going to work upon one of the important tool and techniques we have in Python that is called loops. So we'll be working on for and while loop in this video. I already have my Google Colab open with me, connecting on it. Oh, I need to cancel all these. Terminate, connect. Come on. What's wrong with that then? Connect. It should work. In the meantime, let me just put my text over here and change the name here. So we'll be working on loops, sorry, for and while. Cool. Loops for and while in Python. Okay. So very simple example of for loop. I can tell you over here. For I in range, let's say 1 to 10, print I, right? I think the one problem over here is the indentation. So I have to do something like this and then hit enter. Click run so you can see everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As I mentioned before, this 10 is actually exclusive. So that's why this 10 is not mentioned over here. So this is a very simple for loop we can have in Python. I can tell you what are these are. So this for, we call this for a keyword. Okay. I is nothing but your counter variable. Your in over here is your membership operator. Your range is your function. And we know that this 10 is actually not inclusive, right? And this space over here, I know that you know that by now, it's indentation. Cool. So this way we can have one very simple um, uh, for loop. Now, just one small trick over here. This is like, when we print it, like typically you can see one is actually two is right below one, three is right below two, and then basically it's actually in a vertical format. How can we have the same exact information in horizontal format? I can just copy this data, copy, paste it down over here, right? Just change it by very small things. So basically I'm going to say and put this over here, right? And say end with this. That's it. Oh, my bad. Basically equals to sign should be there here. So which is missing. Click on this. Now all these values are actually after comma, right? You can remove comma, you can say just space, and then run it. You can have everything in a horizontal format. This is very small trick which I just remembered, and then I thought of actually telling you guys. Uh, Now let's look at the another example, right? Or maybe we can look at the while right now. So for example, for while, let's say I equals to 10, right? And while I is actually less than, I would say, or maybe no, maybe let's say 30, right? Do what? For me, print I and end it with, let's say, with a space. Along with that, every single time, just say I equals to, or there are multiple ways to do that. I'll just tell you here. I plus, right, equals to 1. That means you are going to add 1 every single time when I10 is being run. There's another way to do that. I'll show you over here is I equals to I plus 1. You can use either way, like, this way or this way. They're both going to work out. So let's run it. So you have 10, 11, 12 all the way till 29, right? You can make any change over here. Let's say less than equal to, I think this will work out. Oh, I think this should work out now. Yep. So now we have 30 as well included, right? If we tweak this information slightly, right? I'll just show you. If I just put this I or I plus 1 equals to print, right above print, fix the indentation, remove this, and let's see what we are going to get now. My bad. Sorry. You see, we are getting one extra I over here. So even though I at 10 is being run, but then we are adding that one extra to it. After that, we are printing it to that one extra I plus 1. That is 10 becomes 11 and so on and so forth, and then ending at 31. So this way we can actually do multiple things using for and while loops, right? So that's it for this video. In case you are not able to grasp this particular concept, put your comment in the comment section. I'll come back to you. Thank you.